You got a fetish for my love. I push you out and you come right back. Don't see a point in blaming.
Hey Marstar, so right now we're gonna be trying something out for you guys. Yesterday, you guys know our house got broken into, so right now I'm gonna have Jonah get fully covered in math, and I'm gonna quietly go unlock the door, and I'm gonna have him go barging in the house and see what Winston does to him. Barge in, no, you have to go faster than that and barge in mad.
Can I just run into the door?
Yes, just go run.
Freeze!
What'd you do?
He runs away. He was sitting on the couch and he jumped right here and started working at me.
Really?
Growling.
Really?
Yeah.
But right now I am going to pull a prank. Maybe thinking a prank, Mariah. A prank on who? On Ernie? On my little brothers? Like, who could you possibly doing a prank on? I'm gonna be pulling a prank on Winston right now. Other brother is coming over right now. I'm gonna have my brother come in fully math, and me and Jonah are going to be sitting on the couch, and I'm gonna have Josiah just come in and start like to pretend hitting me and stuff, and I want to see what Winston does. How do you think this is gonna go, Jonah?
Pretty good.
Here's Winston, all nice and calm before we prank him. Alright, Winston, cover your ears, you don't hear that. How are you feeling at this very moment, Winston? Just being a good puppy. You didn't do it.
You know, attack me as it is.
You didn't even do the prank.
What was the prank? You ran away. How the fuck am I supposed to come over here?
You were gonna do it on the couch. I already had the camera set up and everything. When you come in here, have your face covered and come straight to the couch and pretend like you're attacking me.
Why?
Because I want to see what Winston does. I have my camera recording and Josiah didn't even do it. Just do it. I want to see what he does. You didn't do it either. You guys ruined my trick. I was pranking Winston and you guys didn't even do it. Marstar, so right now we're at my cousin's house and I'm sick.
And Marstar stuck?
Yeah.
I like it.
I don't know what else to say. Marstar's is cool.
Marfart. Austin gets rice and chili for dinner.
You guys, he was just crying a second ago. This just shows you it was fake.
How dare you call my son?
Guys, I just got back from my cousin's house. I look like a big, huge mess. Look what my dog did. Have a dog, they say. Have a dog. So they can freaking rip up all your trash. Good morning, Marstars. So right now, I am going to be going to the gym. I just got to the gym right now, and I'm going to attempt for the first time to bring you guys in with me and just show you a little bit of what I do.
Hey, no, no, hey, no, no.
I just got out of the gym. When I was in there trying to film, it was just so awkward. I couldn't get good angles because all I have is my tripod and I don't have somebody else to help me. So the next time I do film a workout, I'm gonna have someone with me to like help me film. It'll just be way easier. Hey Marstars, welcome to another vlog. Right now me and Sophie, we're gonna go to the mall and she got me some Takis. So if you guys want a big butt, eat Takis. Guys, look at all these cars. I don't understand, like, why is there so many cars? This is Sophie's first time driving to Fresno. She drove me to Fresno. Woohoo! Parking! This is the thing I don't understand about mall parking. Like, why are you taking 10 years?
You have so much space to get out.
Like,
come on, dude.
Come on, dude.
You have a
like,
lot of space to get out.
I'm gonna expose you, like. We didn't know we were coming to the mall, so I'm literally wearing a Selena Gomez shirt, a jacket, some leggings, and some bulldog socks with some
At least your
freaking
socks.
slides. That's like
Not even cute, but whatever.
So Sophie and I are sad because we spent
too
all
much
of our
fucking money again. Okay, I just spent all of it today actually.
When you go into Cheesecake Factory like this, yeah, I'm going into the Cheesecake Factory looking like a bum, guys, but that pasta last time was just so good. They're inside Cheesecake Factory, and I'm gonna turn the camera over to Sophie, and she is gonna ask me some questions. She's gonna interview me. You ready to interview me?
How much is YouTube paying you?
YouTube has paid me a total of...
That means she needs more Mars stars.
Yeah, that's true. I need a lot more Mars stars. Go
What
tell
else?
your family, go tell your friends, tell your nephew, tell your niece, tell your grandma, tell your grandpas to become a
Everyone, everyone. Mariah's favorite drink.
My favorite drink is either Diet Dr. Pepper or Mountain Dew. But I drink water all the time and iced tea just because I don't like drinking soda that much.
What do you do when you're not vlogging?
When I'm not vlogging, I am either sleeping or I'm at work.
I don't know. What do the Mars stars want to know?
I don't know. What do you think they want to know?
Do they know how old you are?
I am 21 years old.
What else do they need to know?
They don't really know that much about me.
What's your favorite color?
Pink, like a light pink.
Like a light pink. What's your favorite dessert?
Like really deep chocolate cake.
What's your favorite meal?
Pasta or like pizza.
Pasta or pizza?
This is me. We're ending the interview, but this is me just closing out with something to say. If you guys ever want to start a YouTube channel or just anything in general, I say go for it. Don't let other people's opinions hold you back. Don't care what other people think, and just go for it. Because really, at the end of the day, it's no one's life but your own, and you're in control of it. So do what makes you happy.
Preach.
We are now home. Haul time with Sophie and Mariah. These Vans right here, these slip-on checkered ones, these baby yellow ones. So Sophie got the baby blue last time, and now I got these baby yellow ones. Vans off the wall, and it was on sale for like 17. It's really cute. I really like that one. It's really cute. It's watermelon lemonade, so this one smells really good. Tell me if you guys like it. You get a good whiff there. For her mom. 2 cents. Sophie said that her mom likes flamingos because her mom's maiden last name is Garza, and in Spanish, Garza means flamingo, right?
Basically.
Got this orange Victoria's Secret sweater, top one, and then the side has like ties on it. I
Yeah.
didn't know you got 3 bras. PacSun.
Nike hat. I got this skirt. Morphe palette. They're Morphe palette for me. And Rose Water by Mariah.
Why did you get the lavender one?
I don't like the smell of lavender one.
But with that being said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give that video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on your little bell to get notified every time I upload.
Good night, Mars stars.
Bye, Mars stars.
Talking about heaven like they just can't wait to go. Saying how it's gonna be so good.